Hey everyone. I just wanted to show you how to use Edpuzzle. We're going to start using this from home. And so I picked a topic here at Edpuzzle, which I've already put this on Google Classroom for you. And this is a brain pop on weathering. So this should be a little review for you because we have studied weathering before. There are some things in here that go a little bit deeper than fourth grade, but that's okay. We'll get through it. So when you have the assignment, you'll just simply open it up and you'll press play. And a video is going to play for you. And then these little teardrops at the bottom here are times when it's going to stop and it's going to ask you questions. So you need to pay attention to the video. Don't worry if you weren't paying attention. You can go back and you can listen again before you answer the question. So let's get started. Oh, the video automatically stops because I have my first question over here. So, what is weathering? And I need to answer that. A process that breaks down rocks into smaller pieces, a shift in weather patterns, a process by which the seasons change, or the process by which mountains are formed. So, two of these don't make sense to me because they don't have anything to do with rocks or the earth. And so I know that those can't be right. So I'm going to either select this one or this one, not both. And I think that my first choice is my best choice. So that's the one that I am going to select. Oops, no. Let me move this window out of the way. All right, so it shows me right up here that I got 100%. And so now, right here, 100%. I can hit continue. Oh, here's my next question. It says, how might a weathered mountain appear different from an unweathered mountain? Oof, I don't remember the video telling me that. The weathered mountain would be taller, the weathered mountain would contain fewer trees, the weathered mountain would appear rounder in shape, or the weathered mountain would appear more jagged. If I don't remember, or maybe I didn't really catch something, I can rewatch that section. So I'm going to do that. So, what I noticed when I watched it that time is that they did not tell me how it can change over time, but the video showed me. So, I'm going to rewatch that one more time. So, I noticed that these mountains were pointed and now they're a little more rounded. So, that was what I noticed. So, I'm going to go ahead and select the mountain would appear rounder in shape. And it shows that I got it correct, which is wonderful. All right, and here's my last question. If I put the wrong answer, this comes up and it shows that I got it incorrect. And so I have to continue. And then I would just finish the video.